Hi Jammers, I'm LOLZ784 here with another video. So today I will be playing well, actually I'm going to go to a friend's zone. As you can see, I'm at my friend's den. So I am at my friend Gamer Girl 902's den. She's actually really nice, but don't friend her because we actually do want to friend people, but we just can't. We just hate to turn down any bows we can trade. Okay, so anyways, we really don't accept any friend requests. He might, I'm just saying. Ryf might. Catsrock 366, no way. Gamer Girl, maybe. And me, no. But anyways, okay, so anyways, as you can see, I have 7. Okay, so I'm just telling her where to buy it. Right here. Let me put that. Someone's at my den? Who could that be? Is that her? Oh, someone else. Okay. I usually don't get visitors. Yay! I wonder if I'm into epic dance. But anyways. See? Ooh, I want a red sports car. Epic Wonder Sword. Princess Carriage. A gold block, that's 10,000 gems. Whoa, that's a lot. That costs more than, that costs the same amount as my house. How much are the bows? Please. Okay, I will tell you, Gamer Girl 902. Oh, I'm guessing you buy bows from here. Yeah, you buy bows from here. Oh, 4,500 gems. 4,500 gems, Gamer Girl. I'll send it. Sorry, guys. Oh, I can't really say the 5. So if any guys, you guys will just be nice and just do it because I really can't. Scorpion. I might as well buy the whole set. Should I buy the whole set? I guess I can. No, stop. Guess I can. I don't know why. I don't know how to look on me. Pretty weird. Switching out. Oh, why am I switching to another slow? I don't know why I just did it. Let's find out what video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See ya in the next video.